Now, unfortunately, Isaac's destruction is a reminder to all of us to be prepared no matter where we live and no matter what the threat, hurricanes, tornadoes, or winter weather. Having a disaster supply kit on hand is a must. Now, take a look at this kit I assembled based on the recommendations from ready.gov. It includes basic household items and has enough food, water, and other supplies to last at least 72 hours. Now, local officials and relief workers will be on the scene after disaster, but they can't reach everyone immediately. You could get help in a few hours, or it might take days. Now, my stockpile proved to be my greatest resource when it came to creating my kit, and my stockpile items were all picked up on sale and with coupons. Now, this should have cost me $59, but it actually cost $23. That's a savings of 62%. And some of the items, like the toothbrush and toothpaste, were completely free. Now, ready.gov also reminds us to have a copy of our ICE list. That is, in case of emergency contact list. You need an ID card for each family member, a list of medications, and a copy of your health insurance card. Now, we are right in the middle of hurricane season, and winter weather is right around the corner. So get to stockpiling and make sure your family is prepared. I'm Money Saving Queen, Sarah Rowe.